Your 2018 Porsche 718 Boxster GTS deserves expert care, especially when it comes to oil failures and timing chain issues. Call us now at 267-279-9477 before minor problems become major headaches. Oil failures in European performance vehicles happen faster than you think. Degraded oil leads to increased friction, overheating, and catastrophic engine damage. Our comprehensive oil failure diagnosis identifies contamination, analyzes viscosity breakdown, and checks for internal wear before it destroys your engine. Timing chain problems are even more serious. Stretched or worn chains cause misfires, poor performance, and potential valve damage. Our timing chain service includes complete inspection, tension assessment, guide and tensioner replacement, and precision timing restoration. Protect your investment with experts who know European vehicles inside and out. Follow for real Euro repair advice.